In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Nessus, the vulnerability management software on your computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. I'm using a browser and I just opened Google, and then I'm going to type the Nessus inside this search box, and then we'll find a couple of related stuff related to this Nessus. And this Nessus software is developed by Tenable. So at first we need to go there, and once we are there, then at first we need to download this software, and then only we can install it. But before downloading, we just need to complete this form. So we have to put our first name, last name, and the business email. So I'm going to type my first name like few and last name is steps, and then I'm going to type the business email. So this must be a business email, otherwise it will not work. If you try to use your Gmail, then it will not work. I just typed my email fewsteps@fewsteps.online. So this is my business email, and then I'm going to press the get started button. Once you press get started, then we have to put all this information. So I will add all the information, and then I'm going to press this start trial button. Once I complete all the information, then I'm going to click here start trial, and very shortly it is going to submit all the information. And here it is showing try Tenable Nessus for free. Thanks to start for your trial download, something like that. Then there is a download button. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will start downloading this software. But before going there, we just need to choose the version of Nessus we are going to install. So I'm using a Windows computer, so we have to choose the platform. Here if you click here, there are different versions of Nessus is there. If you're using Mac, then just download the Mac version. As I'm using the Windows versions, Windows computer, that's why I'm going to use this version of Nessus. And there is other versions is there right now for Windows. This is the only version right now here. Now what we need to do, we have to press this download button, and once we click here, it will bring this license agreement button page. Basically here we just need to press I agree this button, and very shortly it will ask where it will be downloaded. So I'm going to download it inside this downloads folder, and it will be downloaded in this name. So I'm going to press this save button so that it will start downloading, and it will be finished downloading very shortly. And here I see it finished. Now to start the installation, we just need to double click over there, or you can go to the downloads page of your computer, and from here you can double click this exe file. Now what you need to do, we have to press the next button, and then we have to press this button, radio button. I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then we have to press the next button. And here it is showing where it will be installed. By default, it will be installed in this location, C program files, Tenable Nessus. If you want to change to install this some other location, you can change it from here. Then just press the next button to go to the next button, and finally we'll see the install button is there. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will start downloading this software. But before that, it is asking us this confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes, so that it will start the installation. And here you will see that it is going to start the installation. It will take few minutes basically to complete the installation. We have to wait till we find the finish button or the confirmation message that it is installed successfully. So here I see the installation wizard is complete, and then we have to press the finish button to complete the installation. And now it will open this window like localhost 8834 welcome to Nessus install welcome. So here it is showing Nessus connect via SSL, and there is a notice. If you read carefully, you will understand. If you got a security alert from your browser, you can accept the risk and continue or obtain a valid certificate before proceeding. Please refer to the documentation for information. So here it is showing that you will get some warning, but you need to continue. Don't worry. So I'm going to press this continue connect via SSL, this button, and very shortly here we see this type of message is there, like attackers might be trying to steal your information, something like that. We have to press the advanced button, and then we have to press this on this link continue to localhost unsafe. It is showing, but still we have to press this button link, otherwise we cannot continue. So I'm going to click here so that it will start going to this page, and here we will see Tenable Nessus, and here it is giving us the message initializing. Please wait while Nessus is initializing. So it will take time. Now here we'll find this type of welcome message. Welcome to Nessus. You can click settings to configure the Nessus proxy, something like that. So what we need to do, we have to press the continue button, and very shortly it will bring this page. From here we have to choose this option, register for Nessus Essential. I'm not going to pay anything basically, that's why I'm going to use this one. But if you have paid version, then you can use some other version like this one, or trial version you can also try. So this is fine for me basically, as this is the thing which I'm going to learn next few days. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to press the continue button to go to the next step. Now here it is showing get an activation code. To register for free Nessus Essentials activation, enter code, enter your information. So here what we need to do, we just need to type our first name like few, and last name is steps, and email few steps at few steps.online. So this is my email address, and this is my first name and last name. Then I'm going to press the register button, and very shortly it is telling us that verify email. Please verify your email address to continue activating your product. Now we have to go back to this screen, and then we have to press this verify button, and very shortly it will go to the next step. And now we'll find the activation code. The activation code is looking like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the continue button, and now it is asking us to put a username and password. I'm going to use the username as few steps, and I'm going to use the password, and then I'm going to press the submit button, and very shortly it will create that account. And here it is showing initializing. Please wait while Nessus is initializing, downloading plugins. So it will take like 20 minutes almost to complete this and to download. Once the installation is complete, then you will see this type of screen. This is the URL. Next time you can access directly by typing this in any browser, and here there are a couple of things are there, and some interactive demo is there, and that's it. In this way you can easily complete the installation of Nessus on your Windows computer.